After about a year of consistent operation, the batteries will drain and you may notice your shades getting sluggish. You may hear a high-pitched tone indicating the motor is being overworked trying to raise the shade. This is typically as simple as removing the battery pack and replacing the existing batteries. Before attempting to change your batteries, use the manual control button located on the right side of the shade to test the shade's functionality. If it's moving at full speed but you are unable to connect it to your remote, you may need to check out our video on pairing a shade to a remote. If the manual button does not operate your shades as expected, you more than likely need to change your batteries. Let's begin by locating the battery pack. It's slim, white, and about a foot long, and it's typically tucked behind the headrail, or it could be located in a satellite position. Carefully pop the battery pack out of its mounting clip and disconnect the power cord. You may have to use a bit of force to pop the battery pack out of its mount. Now that you have your battery wand in hand, hold the wand upward so that the batteries do not accidentally fall out. You want to squeeze and pull the tab that is located at the end of the battery wand and dispose of the batteries properly. Check for any corrosion from existing batteries. If corrosion is visible, you may need to contact us about replacing your battery wand. This battery wand requires 12 AA batteries. There's a guide printed on the front letting you know which direction to properly place the batteries. Now that you've replaced the batteries, securely reinsert the push tab into the end of the wand. Carefully reconnect the wand back to the power cord on the shade. Verify that the shade is working by using the manual control button located on the right-hand side of the headrail of the shade. If the shade still does not move, there's a good chance you inserted the batteries incorrectly. You may want to verify that the batteries match the guide printed on the front of the wand.